secondary school before I come to my colleagues. Those things don't become. Chairman of the school group and his wife. All the work about 9 parts. I'm not remember. I don't think my opponents will ever have taken this to them. We are special friends. God bless you. Let him Senator Tony Williams. I can see. Senator representing Anambra Senatorial District. My brother, welcome. Honorable George of the Senator, as we never know, who will grab Deputy Minority Whip, Federal House of Representatives. None of the people will represent me, and I don't have to represent you on another scale. Representing an alternative to the Federal Justice. Honorable, welcome. Making them the only professor in the House of Reps. Professor Leader, honorable. I don't know member, African Parliament. Honorable Peter Nembe, what are you? Sorry, Marquis. Yes, we do. But I know we are on the last. We will follow our leader to come forward. I'm going to do a camera. All the members of the State House Assembly are present. I saw all of you. Henry Madu, Tito Wolf, Honorable. Those people, I am afraid of everyone. I'm just as well. And the people these are the members of the party of the House Assembly. I'm to the stakeholder of Stalwarts, Chief Anton Rosenberg, amazing. The Chancellor has introduced you as a provision transparent in all parties. The welcome. Make a nation party with the engineer. What do you go ahead? I think I'm sorry for you. There are so many people here. Ligwe never had Ligwe national and the economy is necessary. The chairman of the Federal District for National Research is many time. I'm English to then we share and as a history, we will understand as God. We will tell Adam and we will second. The third one, brother. And we will make a little around AC. We will have a little make a little oration.
Hey!
Thank God